Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. You can see an unusual canvas here. It's a solid wooden canvas and shape is unusual. You can see the different color variations here. Red is on the top and you can also see the pink or purple in the bottom, and there's a transitions of the little bit blue here and the white background. Now let's put the color for the mountains in a far distance. So we take the color with the brush strokes here, and the mountains which is near at us, let's put a dark blue color. Okay, that's the mountain lines on the horizon. You can see the dark blue color, and in the bottom line we're just putting the bottom here. Mhm. And this is the field you can see here. Okay, let's put more darker color. Okay, so you can see the darker mountains. This is near at us. Then we're going to draw in the mountains which is behind, and there's going to be little bit soft in color, and we're going to put the white color in that case, because you know that mountain is in farther distance from our visual point. Mhm. So because of the shades of the sun, you can see the shading. One side is darker and other side is lighter. Also we're going to use the little bit white color on the top, because you know when the snow falls, the shades of the mountains becomes white on the top. Awesome. So putting little bit uneven surfaces for the mountain landscapes, and also putting the white colors within the blue color to make the visual effect of the landscapes little bit light in color. So if it's a dark blue color, then it looks different one type. If it's a light blue color, then you can see it's a little bit other types of difference. And in the bottom you can put the dark green color or the light green color, so the different types of green color, and that can show the landscapes of the tree lines which is at the bottom of the mountains. So just putting the green color at the foothills of the mountains. Later we are going to add the white color just to highlight the top of the tree lines, and that's how the scenery is going to get, you know, visually nice. In the mountain lines you can see the horizons of the okay. Here just putting the green colors at the bottom of the canvas, just putting like this one, few strokes to the upwards. Okay, now we are going to take the white color and mixing it with the green which is already in there, and going to show the scenery scapes. Okay, So that's how the white color is mixing with the green color, making a different types of outlines. And in the bottom again we're putting the straight lines. Okay, all right, so the color pattern is mostly done, and we're going to put a moon or the sun in the sky here. That's going to be the pure white color, and we're going to make it as round as possible while we paint it. Let's pour it. So that's a little bit bigger in the canvas. All right, and here maybe we're going to put few tree lines with the white lines just to show the mountain landscapes like this one. Let's put the white color and putting the lines like this one at the bottom of the mountain, and putting other white color just with the surface of the mountain. And making the variations on this surface too. Okay, just taking a different types of brush and putting the details of those white lines, just making the drawing little bit pointy to show the tree lines. Okay, all right, so that's the simple drawing of today's painting. I hope you like the video. Very simple, easy and nice to art. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.